What? Yeah, both.
Yo, Nick! You know who went to get the food? Do you know who went to get the food?
Yeah, they do. There's actually two of them. The other room is friggin' freezing. Just yeah.
It's freezing.
So we just leave the AC on and just be out the whole day. This is it. Yeah, this is the room. Yeah, this is the room.
Why?
Yeah, this is the room, right?
Yeah. This is gonna be a good
He said, he goes, this is why I broke my collarbone. So I didn't want to drive.
That's what I was kind of.
Yeah.
I feel like
Dude, the whole stage is a wall, and then they knocked it down. Yeah, no, they really, that was...
There you go.
Give my pen.
Say that. Got Joey chilling. Hey, having a good time in Wilder.
Albums with them, like, my favorite Pink Floyd album
Everyone's
was
chilling. Yo, that's fire.
Yeah.
Oh, we finally did it.
nothing like
Everyone's chilling.
The bob. Look at how the bob's coming out. How we go?
Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up?
I got the live stream going.
Chilling, man.
Hey.
Chilling. Wildwood 26.
That's what it's about, man. Hey. Good vibes, good vibes. That's what, yeah. Enjoy that, man. For sure, for sure. Hey. Hey.
Check it out, check it out. Pop it open, baby.
Ooh. Hey.
They're trying to take it down.
Yeah, my boy.
No, it wasn't blood.
Just like that. Time for another, man. Good times in Wildwood. Hey. Another one. Back to back. Back to back.
Low-key, TikTok is like, not really fucking. Like, if your feed is fucked up,
No, like,
Honestly, yeah,
where
that's
a lot
fine.
of-
but my feed is not fucked up.
That's where a lot of like that, you know, when the war started in Ukraine, a lot of like that footage was on TikTok and then, yeah. What was the biggest thing?
Oh, Sexy I Know It. They had that one.
Yes, okay, thank you. Thank you.
They were fine.
They had their moment. It was definitely a thing. It was a movement. Oh, wait, that's them?
That's right.
I didn't know that. I didn't get crazy, get loud. That's them? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
They were out at that time?
Yeah, that's when they broke up.
Oh, so that's what made them famous? Low key? That's what got them a record deal?
Yo, I remember the morning that music video dropped. Sexy I Know It. I remember the morning of the video. I was on my iPad. And I saw it on YouTube. It was like out 20 minutes ago. I'm like, that's crazy. Who is this? You LMFAO son? Yo, it was like 2011. I remember that shit.
I remember you.
Man, yo,
It was so popular.
I loved that shit, man.
Yeah, that was mad funny, bro.
Everybody, either like 95 or 5.
I've already
What are those names?
The ghost car. It's the most annoying sound in the world. Oh, that's another one. Oh, no, that's that one. Oh, that means she can run out. Get out. That's exactly what she wanted. She got exactly what I wanted.
Try and step over these.
I get that.
No, no.
I don't want to
Alright, don't you guys. It's too late. People might think you're way out of step.
Have some more sloppy joe.
Have some more sloppy joes.
Lady, you're scary.
I love that shit. I like Chris Farley.
Knock it off!
Yes, bus driver.
Absolutely.
Everybody go! Who steals $20 lunches?
I think I might have seen it before. Left 4 Dead. Oh my gosh.
Left 4 Dead 2 was so
Left 4 Dead
fun.
2 was fantastic.
So much fun, man. Okay, but that's like a carnival with
I'm gonna be honest, bro. I went to try to scare you, bro. I was about to, and I walked over here, and my whole friggin' shoe stepped in like some like muddy shit. I just heard a whole bunch of like. So I don't know what it is though, bro. I stepped in like some wet puddle thing. It's kind of got me tight, but it's all good. It looked good, right? Not too bad. Oh shit, yeah. I don't know if this is good or this is getting scary every year, bro. It's getting more scary every year. This is awesome.
Wow, I didn't even see that car.
Whoa, Nikki's, you're going for it?
Going for it.
You're going for this right there. Here's the tree.
$3 for that 10 years bag of nerds. Coming cost us just crazy. $1 for that 10 years bag of nerds. That's crazy. It's like a criminal. Don't even one quarter, bro. It's fucked up. Fuck this shit up, bro.
Guys.
Huh?
Where's Brandon? Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, he just disappeared, man. The fuck caught Brandon? It's Michael Myers. Yo, who is that?
What would you get from Vending, bro?
Oh, I had a burrito bowl.
You got a burrito bowl?
Yeah, the chicken was.
It was good? What did you got a burrito, right? Hey, fine.
That shit was good.
I got the ground beef burrito.
It was good also because it wasn't like not big size for the prices were crazy.
That thing was mad good, bro.
No, it was great. It's just like they were tiny burritos for $20 each.
Yeah, right?